What if I told you that one of the most iconic phones of all time is making a comeback? But this time, with a 105MP camera, 5G connectivity, and a brand new modern design. Yes, folks, the Nokia 6600 is back. And it's not just a nostalgia trip, it's a beast of a smartphone. Let's dive deep into what makes the Nokia 6600 5G one of the most anticipated reboots of the decade. Before we talk about the future, let's take a trip down memory lane. The original Nokia 6600 was released in 2003 and quickly became one of the best-selling smartphones of its time. With its unique design, advanced Symbian OS, and durability, it was the go-to phone for many. Fast forward to 2025, and Nokia is bringing back the legend, but with a futuristic twist. Nokia has taken inspiration from the original 6600 but completely modernized it. The iconic oval shape remains, but now it features a glass and aluminum body with a punch-hole display and an in-display fingerprint scanner. It's compact, yet futuristic, keeping the DNA of the past while embracing the future. And yes, it's built tough, because what's a Nokia without durability? The original 6600 had a 2.1-inch TFT display. Fast forward to 2025, and the Nokia 6600 5G boasts a 6.7-inch AMOLED panel with a 120 Hz refresh rate and 2K resolution. Crisp, vibrant, and responsive. Perfect for everything from watching videos to gaming. Under the hood, this isn't just a pretty phone. Nokia has packed in the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, paired with up to 12 GB of RAM and 512 GB of UFS 4.0 storage. Whether you're gaming, multitasking, or using heavy apps, this phone is built to handle it all. And with 5G connectivity, you're always connected at blazing fast speeds. Now, the star of the show, the camera. The Nokia 6600 5G comes with a jaw-dropping 105MP main sensor with OIS, an ultra-wide lens, and a telephoto camera. Nokia's PureView technology makes a return, delivering insane levels of detail and clarity. Night mode, super bright, zoom, crystal clear, and yes, it shoots 8K video. The selfie camera, a solid 32MP sensor. Say goodbye to blurry shots. Nokia sticks to what it does best, clean software. The Nokia 6600 5G runs on Android 14 with a promise of 4 years of major updates and 5 years of security patches. No ads, no bloatware, just pure stock Android with some useful Nokia exclusive features. With a 5000 mAh battery, the Nokia 6600 5G is designed to last a full day and more. And when you do need to charge, there's 65W fast charging and 30W wireless charging. Oh, and for the fans of classic Nokia, it also has an extreme battery saving mode that can make your phone last for days. Great news! Nokia hasn't skimped on the extras. Dual stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos, an X-axis haptic motor for flagship level vibration feedback, IP68 water and dust resistance, and even a 3.5-meter headphone jack for the audiophiles. It's a complete package. Now, the big question, how much does it cost? The Nokia 6600 5G is expected to launch in 3 variants. 8GB, 128GB, 4999, 12GB, 256GB, 599, 12GB, 5 or 12GB, 6999. It will be available globally, starting in Europe and Asia, followed by the US and other markets. So, should you buy the Nokia 6600 5G? If you love nostalgic phones with modern twists, a powerful camera, and clean Android software, This might be the perfect smartphone for you. Nokia has brought back a legend in style. What do you think of the Nokia 6600 5G? Would you buy it? Let's discuss in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome tech content. See you in the next one.